Welcome to Ultimez Technology. In today's video, we will be discussing data science, a beginner's guide to understanding the basics of this fascinating field. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that involves the extraction of insights and knowledge from data. It combines the use of statistics, mathematics, and computer science to analyze data and extract valuable insights from it. How does data science work? The working can be explained as follows. Raw data is gathered from various sources that explain the business problem. Using various statistical analysis and machine learning approaches, data modeling is performed to get the optimum solutions that best explain the business problem. Actionable insights that will serve as a solution for the business problems gathered through data science. One of the most exciting applications of data science is in the field of healthcare. Let's take a look at an example to understand how data science can be used to improve patient outcomes. Suppose you are a doctor and you want to develop a model to predict which patients are at risk of developing a certain disease. To do this, you would collect and analyze patient data, including medical history, lifestyle, and genetic information. You would then use machine learning algorithms to train a model that can predict which patients are most likely to develop the disease. This would allow you to intervene early and provide preventive care, which could improve patient outcomes and reduce healthcare costs. Data science can also be used to identify patterns in patient data that can help healthcare providers develop new treatments and therapies. In conclusion, data science is an exciting field that has many applications in different industries. It involves using data to answer questions and solve problems, and it can help organizations make data-driven decisions and improve outcomes. Thank you for watching this engaging beginner's guide to data science. Stay tuned for more informative videos from Ultimez Technology.